There is way too much unnecessary outrage about this whole idea that, oh, a company is doing an IPO, but the money isn't even going to the company. If you are buying IPOs just because they are IPOs or because there is some grey market premium, honestly, you can stop listening right now and go and get an ice cream instead. Let's get one thing straight. One type of company that goes for an IPO is a company that simply does not need cash. Think of an asset management companies, think of an electronic giant, think of a big car company everyone knows. These businesses are already cash positive. They don't need money. So in this case, the promoters sells part of their stake so that when public investor can participate. If you don't like that idea, remember this. Back in 1970s, the government actually forced cash positive multinational subsidiaries to list in India just so Indian investor could share in their future. That's how people got participated in companies like Unilever, Nestle, and all over that turned out to be a great thing. The second type is company that has already raised capital in private markets. It has enough money to grow. Now it wants to list mainly to allow early investor to exit. Again, this isn't a problem. The company has cash and everything is disclosed. Who is selling, how much they are selling, and even what price they bought in it. So are this company bad just because it's an offer for sale? Not at all. In fact, I can name companies that did OFS even when they actually needed money and then went on to raise capital later. One very famous food delivery company comes to my mind. These days, most IPO are a mix, part fresh issue, part OFS. Even government companies do this. Take a pure OFS companies like IRCTC. These government owned. There was absolute no need for cash. So in 2018, it was entirely the government selling shares. Today, the stock is about 9 times higher. So why is that considered perfectly fine? But when a Korean giant does it, suddenly it's bad. The regulator job is simple. Make sure you have all the information you need to make a decision. It's not the regulator's job to decide for you whether an IPO is good or bad. What we really need is more freedom to decide for ourselves, to win or lose, and less information arbitrage. Now, let me talk about the big hidden reason